You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. That is a fascinating word. I love this word. It's archaic. That's how it's qualified, but it's beautiful. If you want to learn more fantastic vocabulary like this, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you on this channel. Maketh, alright? It's not market. Market? It's like make, essentially, but with th at the end, alright? Maketh. Maketh with th, with the tongue within your teeth. Maketh. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Maketh. Here is an example of how you can use this word in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.